Hi, I'm Patricia from Trisha's Lovely Creations, and today I'd like to show you how I put my backs on my hollow beads. I've already got them cut out. My hollow bead is made, and I just need to put the backing on. And I've already got it textured. Let's see if I can find my brush. There it is. Put a little poly paste on. Just enough to make it sticky. You don't want too much on there. Then you're going to slide everywhere. Okay. I try to put it in the middle here. And don't worry about the texture. I'm going to mess it up a little bit. Make sure you have no bubbles. Okay, now I need one of my little finger coats here. Grab my texture sponge. And I just pull over the edge, take off that excess. All the way around the bead. You don't have to worry about smoothing it out too much. We'll hit it with the texture. Okay, and then I just place it on my texture and push down. Put it in another spot, push down again. A little bit more on the inside. There we go. Clean up my mess here real quick. Okay, now I want to make the veil. Which I've already got it textured and ready to go. If you can hear that, that was my dog. We call her Sissy. She comes down and then goes right back up. I guess she just wants to see where I'm at. Okay, now if I can find my stick, which is right in front of me. Wow. Blind today. Form that around the stick, which is my barbecue skewer. Okay, let's see where I want to put it at. Here. Find the best spot. I want to hang it. Kind of like it there. Okay. I'll pick that up. Place it in the spot I want it. Push down a little bit. And then I'll start texturing that to blend it in. I don't know if you can really see what I'm doing here. Just pushing that texture on there and blending in the seam. And same for the bottom. There we go. Yep, almost. There, that should do it. Then I check with my skewer to make sure that my hole is all good. And that's it. And that's all there is to it. It's fairly simple, I think. But I was asked a lot of times how I did my backing, so I thought I'd do a video tutorial on it. And you can see I have a ton more to go. So if this was helpful for you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That would be great. Also, I have a new Facebook group, Trisha's Lovely Creations. Please come join us. Thanks. Have a great day.